Hi everyone, Christina here. Welcome to another mail call video. Today's video is for the month of July 2020, and the theme for July was actually really unique because it wasn't like a technique or a type of card like a birthday card or holiday card, anything like that. It was actually your favorite color. So all of the cards today will be featuring the colors that are the favorites of the card maker, which is kind of cool and kind of fun. So we're going to see a ton of different techniques and card ideas in today's video, and all of these cards are from you guys. Like I've done in the past, I'm going to take this first part of the video to showcase some of the cards that really stood out to me while I was opening the mail. So I've got some cards that are from younger crafters and just others that I love the technique or I thought the design was really cool. After I finish my spotlight cards, I'm going to be going through and showing you all the rest of the cards that I received for the month of July. So let's get into it. This first card is from Gwen in New Jersey, and her favorite color is pink. In fact, she sent many pink cards. You'll see them all when I go through everything at the end. But I really love this one. Nice big sentiment, lots of pink, but not overwhelmingly pink. I think because she kept the background white, it really lends itself to a really cool card. Here's another pink card. This is from Danielle in Garland, Texas. And this is one of those easel cards that stands up like that. Isn't that so cute with the little flying dragon? And I just thought it was so cute, a little high card. So once again, this is Danielle in Texas. On to the reds. This gorgeous card, my word, really packs a statement. This is from Lana in California. It's a big 5x7 card. She even made an envelope for it. Thought that was so cool. Wax seal. Look at this beautiful card. That layer stamping, if you can see, there's a little bit of shimmer on the flowers. It's gorgeous. And then you are beautiful just the way you are. Such a beautiful card. I love that it's more monochromatic and then red. In fact, she says her favorite colors are white and gray, but I always like to add a little touch of red to brighten everything just a little bit. So I think that's such a fun idea. In fact, we're going to see another kind of white and gray card with a pop of color here in just a few. Oh, and her envelope is stamped as well. On to the orange cards. This one is by Felicia. I think that's how you would say her name. I'm not entirely sure. I've never seen the spelling that way. Her favorite colors are orange and green. Oh, there we go. Felicia. I was actually right. Okay. I think this is such a fun way of using orange, different orange tones and a little bit of green. I also like that it's a bigger card, so it packs a little punch. So cute. This next card is from Carol in Maryland, and her favorite color is blue, but I wanted to highlight this in the orange section because she's done a really fun thing with complementary colors. Orange and blue are complementary colors, meaning that they have a lot of contrast between the two, and I really love how this stands out. So such beautiful flowers. Love that. Going into yellows, but sort of yellows and browns. This card is from Sherry in Nova Scotia. And I just really loved all the different details on this card. It's brown on the inside. I love that it's like this, got this crackled texture. You see that? Such a cool texture down there. And all the ink blending and stenciling. I think it's just really beautiful. Oh, by the way, she says brown all the way. So brown's her favorite color. There is quite a bit of yellow in here. I hope she doesn't mind that I put it in the yellow section. All right, here's that other card with gray and white with a pop of color. And this is from Lan in Texas. And she says, oh, she doesn't say one way or the other. She doesn't say if gray is her favorite color or if green's her favorite color. Either way, I think this is a great example of using both colors. Okay, this next card here from Kimberly. She sent it a few months back, and I've been waiting to share it because it's so cute. You ready for this? Look how cute. It's adorable. She's taken sequins and some seashell stamps to create sort of like an abstract mermaid. So cute. I really love this card. Deep into the teals now. Here's one from Violet in Illinois, who is 10. Such a great job. Look at this fun shaker card. Such a beautiful color too. That nice teal turquoise shade. All right, here's another kid card. Another 10-year-old. This is Abby from New Jersey, and her favorite color is blue. That's so cute. The little dancing pig. Adorable. Such good coloring too. All right, here is a nice big slimline card. And this one is from B. I'm not sure if her name's Bonnie or Beatrice or whatever her name is, but she's in Maryland. And her favorite color is blue. Look how fun this is. All that embossing. And then these little gems. Or actually, they might be little drops that she's created. I'm not entirely sure. But it's such a cool card. Love that. All right, this card from Gina in Washington blew me away. Get ready for this. Isn't this gorgeous? Look at the detail on this, and it's got some gloss on the top. So beautiful. Let's see, penny black stamps, Altoon metallic paint. It's just beautiful. And she has a matching envelope with the stamps on it as well. This one also has a lot of packs a lot of punch to it, I guess you'd say. This is from Carol in Nova Scotia. Look at the shine on this. So amazing. For a Celebrate card, that gets the party started. I love that. I love that embossing folder on the glossy, iridescent paper. So cool. All right, this is another kid card. This is from Allison, who's 12 in California, and I cannot even believe this is a kid card. Look at this. Look how fun. All that stenciling with a cloud stencil. Looks like she may have used Distress Oxide inks. And then it's just so cute. Such an amazing card. I love that. All right, into the purples even more. This is from Mary Lynn in Washington State, who loves purple. Look how beautiful this is. That's gorgeous. She said she used good old Twinks, so twinkling H2Os, to paint the flowers. How beautiful is that? All right, this one is from Louisa in California, and it's one of those little three-dimensional shadow box cards. How cute is that? And all that purple with the bunny. So cute. All that dimension. Love that. And the last card is actually from Marta in Puerto Rico. And she says that white is her favorite color. Look at all this. All of that beautiful dimension of white on white. Just a little bit of silver. Gorgeous. She says she loves using white in her card making, but white on white cards, not white space. So beautiful. It looks all lacy without actually having lace. Aren't all those cards amazing? I love all of those, and they were so fun to open in the mail. So I'm going to go through and show you guys all the rest of the cards that I received this month as well. So many fun cards. Every color of the rainbow is represented with all of these cards. You guys really knocked it out of the park. I'm really, really excited about these. And if you would like to participate in a future mail call video, make sure you check out the information down below in the video description or over at my blog. All of the info is there. All you have to do is print out a form, check mark the theme or the month that your card is for, and then mail it off to me. I hope you guys consider participating. It's really fun. Thanks so much for watching today. I'm going to have another card video for you very soon. I was aiming for tomorrow, but I don't think I'm going to make it. It's probably going to be more like Wednesday. I have a design deadline for Simon Says Stamp, and I have to get that done before I can move on to all the fun crafting. So stay tuned for a new stamp soon and another card video from me even sooner than that. Thanks again for watching, and I'll catch you guys in another video very soon.